Workload modeling is one of the most critical steps in performance testing because it defines how real users will interact with the system under test. A well-designed workload model ensures that the performance test closely simulates real-world conditions, helping teams predict system behavior accurately. Below are the key reasons why workload modeling is so important. 1. Realistic simulation of user behavior. Workload modeling helps represent actual user interactions, such as login, search, checkout, or data entry, in realistic proportions. This ensures the test mimics production usage patterns rather than arbitrary or uniform loads. Example, if 60% of users browse products, 30% add items to the cart, and 10% make purchases, the workload should reflect these ratios. Accurate performance metrics. Performance metrics like response time, throughput, and resource utilization are meaningful only when the workload represents real-world scenarios. A poor workload model can lead to misleading results, either underestimating or overestimating system capacity. 3. Identification of performance bottlenecks. Different workloads stress different parts of the system. A proper model helps uncover specific bottlenecks, such as CPU utilization under heavy search traffic or database contention during concurrent checkout operations. 4. Capacity planning and scalability assessment. By accurately simulating the expected and peak user load, workload modeling helps predict how much infrastructure the system needs to handle current and future demands effectively. Risk mitigation before production. A realistic workload model minimizes the risk of performance issues after deployment by exposing potential problems, such as slow response times or system crashes, during the testing phase itself. 6. Better business alignment. Workload modeling aligns technical testing with business priorities. For example, if the checkout process is business critical, the model ensures it gets tested under realistic and stressed conditions. 7. Efficient test coverage. By defining which user journeys and transactions are most frequent or resource intensive, workload modeling helps testers focus on the most impactful scenarios, improving testing efficiency. 8. Benchmarking and trend analysis. Consistent workload models enable valid comparison across different releases, environments, or architecture changes. This helps track performance trends and validate improvements over time. In summary, workload modeling is the foundation of meaningful performance testing. It bridges the gap between technical execution and real-world user experience. Without it, performance test results are unreliable and may fail to predict how the application behaves in production.